how much fun you have
I know,
when you get
right?
out of the office.
All right, guys, welcome to Weld.com. This is Bess and Paul here, and we have some great news for you, right?
Some really great news. We're going to have some fun competition.
All right, so we're going to do a virtual welding competition. Registration is now open. We're going to give you the scope here in just a moment, but just so you know, we have some amazing prizes, right?
Amazing. Yeah, I like to have a few of them myself. That's for sure.
I would say the same if I welded, but do you even weld?
I don't know.
Anyways, so this virtual competition is open to our members. So if you have not already created a free member profile, go to the new website, Weld.com, and do so. You must be 21 years of age, and you do have to be a legal U.S. resident. All right, so we have two categories. We have the industry professionals, and we have the students. However, the students still need to be 21 or older. Only 25 applicants will be chosen for each category in order to move forward to level 2 of the competition. Now, go ahead and tell them what they need to be doing here.
So on the weldment part, you're going to need a 3/8 inch by 7 inch by 3 1/4 inch plate, A36 mild steel coupon. 30-degree bevel on each plate. So now the perimeters. Vertical up, true 90 degrees, open root butt joint.
You said butt.
I did. 0 to 1/8 inch root face landing, 0 to 1/8 inch gap with 60-10, 1/8, 100% penetration root.
I could have gone with that one too. Go ahead.
Why wouldn't you?
Just go ahead.
So 70-18 now, 1/8, fill pass, welder's choice. Fill cap, stringer beads overlap toe to crown. Post pre-qualification, the 25 in each category will be assigned a number. This number must be placed on the lower left-hand corner of the coupon and must be visible in the video entry at all times. Please weld your number onto your coupon.
Awesome. So now, once you get your number on your coupon, you're going to submit the video. So, you will get notified if you're one of the 25 pre-qualified, okay? So in that category, you will have a link that will send you to upload your actual video submission. Please, only raw footage. Do not edit, do not change anything up. In the video, outside of showing your number, you have to introduce yourself, right? Include your name, where you're from, and you can also say what school or what company you're from, okay? Then proceed to perform the welding procedure as outlined in the parameters that Paul just mentioned, which you can also find on the website. Again, no cuts or edits of the video, raw footage only. After the welds are complete, show the entire face, the entire root of the weldment, and also include a shot from the side to show the profile of the weld. We'll actually show you some pictures here so you can see kind of what that looks like. Now, registration, like I said, is open now. It ends May 10th. Pre-qualified candidates will be announced on May 12th. And again, you guys will be contacted. Once you're contacted, you have until May 26th to upload your video submission. There will be a video compilation of all entries in each category posted on our YouTube channel on May 28th. This is where you, the audience, will be able to participate in the voting along with our main judges, one of whom being Mr. Bob Moffat. He will be there as well, so will Chris King. Paul will be there and a couple of our other guys. Our finalists will be chosen by our judging panel, okay? Now, qualifying entries. You'll be notified if you're selected as the top 3 finalists by May 31st. At that point, this is very important. In order to keep everything fair, you will submit your coupon to the address that we will provide to you. We will do destructive testing. The deadline to submit that will be June 4th, okay? After a bend test has been completed, the judges will make a final determination as to who the winners are for each place. Our final winners for each category and each place will be announced June 20th. All right. At that point, you guys get some amazing prizes, which Paul will go over here in a second. And you get a chance to claim your prize by us flying you here to the Weld.com welding lab, giving you a tour, getting a chance to meet our crew, and perhaps maybe even being in an episode.
That'd be
I think
great.
That's kind of cool.
That'd be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what are the prizes?
We have got some amazing prizes, and I mean amazing. It makes me jealous because I want the welder. Anyways, for the industry professional, first place is going to be the Lincoln MIG 360 MP. Along with that will go the Viking 3350 steampunk helmet, shadow split leather jacket, Abacore hat along with a bowler hat, Black Stallion gloves, Weld.com swag, sweatshirt, gym bag, and slap pack for the first prize. First place. Second place.
By the way, that's about an estimated value of over $6,000. Keep going.
It is.
Yeah.
65.71 to be exact.
Oh, well, still an estimate, but
Still a great prize. And we got second place. We got a lot of great prizes. So second place, Everlast MIG 140 machine, Metabo grinder, Knox FR snapback hat, Bowler welding helmet, Black Stallion gloves, MIG gloves, Abacore hat, Weld.com t-shirt, slap pack. Third place, Abacore Benzel SR17 TIG torch, Abacore hat, Bowler welding helmet, Black Stallion gloves, Weld.com swag t-shirt, slap pack.
Awesome. For students?
For students on the educational side, first place will be the Everlast Power Arc 140 STI, which is a really nice machine. Metabo grinder, Bowler welding helmet, Knox FR shirt, Abacore hat, Black Stallion gloves, Weld.com swag, sweatshirt, and gym bag slap pack. Second place will be the Abacore Benzel AT MIG gun, Abacore hat, Knox FR snapback, Black Stallion gloves, Bowler welding helmet, Weld.com swag t-shirt, slap pack. Third place, Bowler welding helmet, Metabo grinder, Abacore hat along with a bowler hat, Black Stallion gloves, Weld.com swag t-shirt, slap pack.
Awesome. So thank you guys for this. Thank you to all of our sponsors for making this happen. We really look forward to your submissions. Don't forget, go on Weld.com/member. You can sign up there on the blog post. You can see all the prizes. You can download the official rules. And throughout all of our social media channels, you will see the link to get your registration done and submissions. All right, so good luck to everybody. We look forward to this. Looking forward to meeting them.
It'll be fun.
Oh, and by the way, no, nobody involved with Weld.com or their families can participate. So this is all you guys. Have fun. I know.
I guess I got to take my name off the list.
See you soon.